Hey guys, welcome back. We are doing page 8 of your semester review study guide. And so if you will look, I'm going to go ahead and redo number 45 and 46 real quick, okay? All right, it says solve each equation, round your answers to the nearest 10 thousandths. That means 4 decimal places. So make sure you do that. In number 48, what you want to do first is you want to isolate the base with the exponent. So the first thing we do is we divide each side by -8. Therefore, you have 15, p plus 10 equals, okay? And you can just type that in. You have -15 divided by -8, which comes out as 1.875. Leave it in decimal form because it'll be a lot easier for you. Now, notice if you look at this pattern, this looks like b to the x equals y. This is an exponential. I'm solving something in the exponent, so I'm going to use the inverse of that. So I'm going to put log base 15 of 1.875 equals p plus 10. Okay? Let's go ahead and simplify that in our calculator. So we're going to go alpha window number 5. 15, right click, 1.875. Comes out to 0.2321 equals p plus 10. Continue to solve for p like you've done since Algebra 1. So subtract 10 from both sides. So p is equal to, now notice I'm just going to push minus. A and S is the previous answer, so minus 10. Not -10, but minus 10. So my answer comes out to be -9.7679. 4 decimal places. Okay? And there you have number 45. All right, let's go to number 46. And the reason I divided is because this is -8 times 15. On number 46, you are isolating the base with the exponent and you have a plus 7. So to solve for that, you're going to subtract 7 from both sides. Okay? And 61 minus 7 comes out to be 54. Notice I'm solving for k. I have a base to the exponent equals that. So I'm going to use the inverse, which is log base 3 of 54 equals -5.7k. Type that into your calculator to simplify. So alpha window number 5. Okay. And you have base 3 of 54, which comes out to be 3.6309 equals -5.7k. See that right there? Solve like before. This is multiply, so I'm going to divide. Notice when I divide, I do not change my sign. All right? So k is equal to, so here's my calculator. It's already typed in, so I'm just hit divide. -5.7. Comes out to be -0.6370. 4 decimal places for your rounding. And there you have number 45 and number 46. Okay. All right. Let's go on to number 47. Here we go. In number 47, we are going to also isolate the base. E is just a number, okay? Kind of like pi. So there you have E. We're going to isolate that. So to isolate, this is -4.4 times E, so we're going to divide. What you do to one side, you do to the other. Bring down your Euler's number, raised to the a plus 3 equals -39 divided by -4.4. Comes out to be 8.8636. Okay. So now I want to solve. I want to bring down that a, so I'm going to take a natural log. Opposite, what you do to one side, you do to the other, and that cancels out. So you have a plus 3 equals the natural log of 8.8636. And if you want to put parentheses around it, you can, not required. All right. So I'm going to hit natural log. There's natural log right there. Okay? So natural log 8.8636. So I'm rewriting this, so you have a plus 3 equals 2.1820, or you can do 19. I just round it because this is a 5. Round this up, since this is 0, so round that up. All right, So the natural log of 8.8636 is that number. Subtract 3 from both sides. So I can just go minus 3. Comes out to be negative 0.8180. And since not a logarithm, we don't have to plug it in. All right, number 47. Again, I want to isolate my base and my exponent. I'm solving for x and x in the exponent. So I'm going to divide all of this by negative 4. So you got 12 raised to the negative 7.8x equals, okay, negative 73.7 divided by negative 4 comes out to be 18.425. So I have a base to the exponent equals a solution, so I'm going to take log base 12 of 18.425 equals negative 7.8. Oh, that should be x, not k. My fault. That should be an x. Okay? Type that into your calculator, simplify into an easier decimal form. So you'll have alpha window number 5, log base 12 of 18.425. Comes out to be 1.1726 equals negative 7.8x. Oops, sorry. So I just simplify that. Do the math that you've been doing your whole life. Divide. I've already have it typed in, so I'm just going to put divide, negative 7.8. Comes out to be negative 0.1503. All right, there's 47 and 48. Okay. Number 49. Again, I am solving for the base to that part. That's a minus 7. So I'm going to add 7 to both sides. So you have base e raised to the 2a equals 6. Take the natural log. This cancel. So now you have negative 2a equals natural log of 6. Okay. Type that into your calculator to simplify. So natural log of 6. So negative 2a equals 1.7918. Divide both sides by negative 2, which you already have it typed in, so divide by 2, equals 0.8959. All right, and there you have it, okay? All right, let's look at number 50. Here we go. All right, your base. So divide by 6, so you have base e of 4a equals 94 divided by 6 comes out to be 15.6667. Take the natural log of each side. So now you have 4a equals natural log of 15.6667. Okay. Go ahead and simplify that to an easier form. 15.6667, which comes out to be 2.7515. Bring down your 4a. Solve for a. Divide both sides by 4. That comes out to be 0.6879. Okay. So it's all the solvings you've done in the past. All right, let's go to number 51 now. Now, if you take a look, this is log base 11, and it is one log to the next log. If that's the case, and there's an equal sign, gotta have that equal sign here. All right. Cancel those, so negative 4a plus 2 equals 2 minus 3a. Are you guys taking Unit 5 tests? Okay, can you guys sit at a separate table, please, one of you? Yeah, I don't care who moves. Thank you. All right, combine your a first. It doesn't matter if you add 3a or add 4a. Pick one, okay? I'm going to add 4a. But do your variables first. So 2 is equal to 2. Negative 3a plus 4 is plus a. Minus 2 minus 2. A is equal to 0. Now, anytime you have a log in your problem, you should always check. A is 0, so I'm just going to plug it in to one of these. It doesn't matter which one. So you're going to hit alpha window, number 5, base 11, right click, 4 times, oops, my apologies, negative 4 times 0 plus 2. See how I just typed it in? Replacing 0 with the A. Do you have an answer? All right, that should work. Try the other side, okay? Same thing. Alpha window number 5, base 11, 2 minus 3 times 0. Oops, I did too many. Same answer. So, this is the correct answer. All right. Process that real quick before we move on. All right, let's go to number 52. This is also one log equals another log, cancels out. So you got 14 equals k minus 3, okay? Solve for k, add 3 to both sides. K is equal to 17. All right, so if you look at this one, this is the only one that has a k, so plug it in. So alpha window, number 5, base 7 of 17 minus 3. You have an answer? That'll work. And there you have your page 8.